Alright everybody, time for a short update. This building here is made of paper, and some lumber, wood, mostly hardboard, carton, paper. And this sidings I made with just this corrugated thin paper, and it comes with the cookies are wrapped in it. When you buy cookies in the supermarket, they wrap all the cookies in here and make a roll, but it's great stuff. And this is how it looks when you paint it and weather it. It's kind of nice. Your short update. Here we got some more corrugated siding stuff. This is just plastic, and most of the time there's a cake or a pie when you buy in the supermarket, and this is the bottom piece where the pie is placed on, and then it's wrapped with other plastic. But this is ideal stuff for doing sidings, thin plastic. And here you got another piece. There was a piece of pie or cake on this plastic too. Thin plastic. Well, you can use it for all kinds of stuff. Here's another tip. Lots of old tires and all kinds and sizes for like big HO vehicles. And well, if you got some that don't look too good, take off the tires and put them in the gondola, and you got a real nice load. Here's some more of the corrugated sidings. It's just cookies wrapping paper. That's just bench work now. Got all the track out, it's just a mess. Got my background backdrop painted. Oh guys, everybody take it easy, thanks, and see you later.